my channel. Today we are making a paper boat together. Please watch, subscribe and like. So follow us and comment.
So you want us to make a paper boat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Step 1. A rectangular shape looks better. Okay? So fold it like this. Like that. Okay, mine is not straight. Like that. And then unfold it. Now, the other way. Fold it. Yes. It's now a square. And now, you see you've made 2 parts.
Yes.
Now, take this part, do like this. Fold the inner part. You need strength. Maybe you can place it here.
Yeah.
You make sure the fold is here. We are using a hard paper, a manila. Okay? See? Step 1. The other part again inside. Fold it from the inside. Like this. Show them. And then this inside one, fold it. This is CBC. We are your CBC what? Plug was CBC. You do like this, and then fold this inner part like this. Fold it like this. Fold it inside. Or you can just, fold it inside. Even the other side. You need energy, but when you're using a hard paper like this one, you got it from the scrapbook. It's always good to recycle. And then this other part, now turn over. Now we've made like this, you turn over. Fold. Place it over here. Fold, and then close the lap. See, you need, and then right, it looks like this. Now open it. Yes, open it. Once you open it, no, it looks like this. Fold it. Fold. Yeah, fold it. Fold both laps. Place it over here. You're going to use a paper yourself like this. And then for the other side, looks like this. Now again inside, put your hands inside and remove it like this. See, looks like this. And now open the boat carefully. Open the boat. Open the boat. Open the boat. And now sing. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the stream. Now this is a paper boat. I use a manila. Maybe we can use a paper if actually you don't have a manila, right? Continue talking to them about your channel. Do you have something to say? Sing for us, Roro, in your
No,
boat.
no, no.
Surely. Can you make such a boat now by yourself? Can you make it? Let me grab a piece of paper and let's see what this Gen Alpha can do. Now let's try with a normal printing paper. Normal printing paper. I've recycled. So, step 1, rectangular side. You start with the rectangular side. Rectangular. Eliana, rectangular. Open it up. Step 2, now I'm going to be fast because these are a repetition. And it's always good to put it over here so that all the angles can be equal. Art and craft, you need to place it like this, and then fold the inner parts, and you make sure they are straight. So I'm going to be fast, and it has to be straight. And then open. Yeah, so for anything that involves crafts, you have to be very keen. Open one wrap. And ensure it has gone up so that it opens up well, okay? And then fold the inner flaps, and then turn. Close the other one. Now let's use the normal paper and see the outcome. And for art, you have to be very, very, very. And then close the laps. I'm going to be fast. A Gen Alpha must be. Ensure you have folded them well, nicely. You have to use energy. And then like this. Yes, to open. Don't be afraid of opening. And then we fold. Yes. Eliana, so you just do like this to ensure you fold it well. And then the other side. Like this. And then like this. No, from inside. Yes. And then open the boat. Now make it, mold it. Mold it. See, good girl. Now you've done it. Using a normal paper, the outcome is still good. So, her channel, ELIANA'S Diary, it's mostly about CPC. Like, subscribe. Millennial mom with her Gen Alpha. Yes. Now we can sing row, row, row your boat.
Yeah.
Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the stream. Gently down the stream. Many, 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 many like this but a dream. Low, low, oh, low your boat. Gently down the stream. Merry, 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 merry. Life is but a dream. It's not a dream. You can make it a reality. Be blessed.
Hey.
Talk.
Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe and share. Make a thumbs up and you make it better. You have made a boat want to maybe to try it. I said maybe. And I like it. So fun to make.